Bigat naman sila. Baka pwedeng ragamuffin girl na lang yung background. Unang sulat from Sylvia, Dear TLC letter, Dear Melvin Ventura of Bulacan. You will always be my first love. That's what make it so special. I learned how to love so hard, so deeply, and so intensely because I don't know any different. It's the best until it's over. Then I hurt like I never been hurt before. Eventually, I love again. I love differently. I love carefully, more cautiously. Just to know there's so much love waiting for me, but you will always be the first. I love you, best friend, Echos. Though it's not meant to be, sabi ni Sylvia. Hi. Yung ating next letter, Hey, Mr. MVP. I miss you so much and I hate it. I want you to know that I still care and I cannot deny the fact that I still love you. I understand that we have to go on our own ways. Sorry for being immature. Keep safe. Sabi ni Miss Intrams. Uy, social ha? Mr. MVP and Miss Intrams. Wow! Ang ganda tignan nun, di ba? Yung ating third letter, Dear Tristan. Sabi ni Chris, sorry if I let myself fall for you. Believe me, I tried to ignore these feelings, but I failed. I know we're very much different. Even masakit, titigilan ko na mahalin ka. Thank you for teaching me my lesson. I love you, I really do, but I need to say goodbye. Sabi ni Chris. Lalaki rin ba siya? Letter is coming from ex-wife. Sabi nito, nalulungkot ako sa letter na ito, mga kaibigan. Sabi niya, to my ex-husband, more than 6 years na tayo magkahiwalay. I'm just hoping and praying na mabuo ang pamilya natin. That's after 6 years, Bigyan mo naman ng time ang mga kids na ipadama na may ama sila. Pwede pala yun. That after 6 years, umaasa ka pa rin. Oh my God. Huling letter po natin coming from this one goes out to Renz. Baby, 2 days from now, it's our 3 years and 9 month monthsary. Sad cause the last time we talked, we just fight and give up on this relationship. Now I'm lost, afraid. I don't even know how and where would I start. I haven't heard much from you. Please, if you would choose to be back, just do it because I miss you every single day. But if you would just want to leave me, just do it properly. I don't want to be lost. I miss you, love. Sabi nito, kalungkot naman.